You need to watch this if you're looking to spice up your diet. Have you ever wondered how you can add a touch of excitement and health to your daily meals? Well, today we're diving into a fruit that's not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits. Yes, we're talking about figs. These little powerhouses are often overlooked, but they deserve a spot in your diet. So, let's explore the 10 surprising benefits of eating figs daily and how they can transform your health and well-being. Today, it's all about figs. Figs have been enjoyed for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations. They were considered a symbol of prosperity and health. In fact, figs were one of the first fruits to be cultivated by humans. Their sweet honey-like flavor and unique texture make them a delightful addition to various dishes. But beyond their taste, figs are a nutritional powerhouse. Let's delve into the incredible benefits they offer. Figs are not just delicious, they're packed with some seriously awesome benefits. Imagine biting into a fig and not only enjoying its rich flavor, but also reaping a multitude of health rewards. From aiding digestion to boosting your immune system, figs have it all. So let's break down these benefits one by one and see why you should consider making figs a staple in your diet. 1. Figs are fiber-rich, which keeps your digestion smooth. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and figs are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Just a handful of figs can provide a significant portion of your daily fiber needs. This helps in preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Moreover, the fiber in figs acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supporting overall gut health. So if you're looking to improve your digestion, figs are a fantastic choice. 2. They're loaded with antioxidants, helping fight those pesky free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can lead to chronic diseases and aging. Figs are rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, which help neutralize these harmful molecules. Including figs in your diet can boost your antioxidant intake, supporting your body's defense against oxidative stress and promoting overall health. 3. Got a sweet tooth? Figs are a natural sugar alternative. If you're trying to cut down on refined sugars, figs can be a delicious and healthy alternative. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect substitute for sugar in various recipes. You can use figs to sweeten your smoothies, oatmeal, or even baked goods. Plus, unlike refined sugars, figs come with added nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a more nutritious option for satisfying your sweet cravings. 4. They're high in calcium, promoting strong bones. Calcium is vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones, and figs are a great source of this essential mineral. Just a few figs can provide a significant amount of your daily calcium needs. This is especially important for individuals who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based sources of calcium. Including figs in your diet can help support bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis as you age. 5. Figs can help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common health issue that can lead to serious complications if left unmanaged. Figs are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in your body. Consuming potassium-rich foods like figs can help relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and ultimately lower blood pressure. So, if you're looking to maintain a healthy heart, figs can be a valuable addition to your diet. 6. They boost your immune system with vitamins A and K. A strong immune system is essential for protecting your body against infections and illnesses. Figs are packed with vitamins A and K, both of which play crucial roles in supporting immune function. Vitamin A helps maintain the integrity of your skin and mucous membranes, which act as barriers against pathogens. Vitamin K, on the other hand, is important for proper blood clotting and bone health. By including figs in your diet, you can give your immune system the support it needs to keep you healthy. 7. They're great for healthy skin thanks to their high water content. Hydration is key to maintaining healthy, glowing skin, and figs can help with that. Figs have a high water content which helps keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Additionally, the antioxidants in figs can protect your skin from damage caused by environmental factors like UV rays and pollution. Including figs in your diet can contribute to a clearer, more radiant complexion. 8. Figs can improve heart health by reducing triglycerides. Triglycerides are a type of fat found in your blood, and high levels can increase the risk of heart disease. Figs contain compounds that can help lower triglyceride levels, promoting better heart health. Additionally, the fiber in figs can help reduce cholesterol levels, further supporting cardiovascular health. By incorporating figs into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining a healthy heart. 9. They aid in weight management because they keep you feeling fuller longer. If you're trying to manage your weight, figs can be a helpful addition to your diet. The fiber in figs helps promote a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, figs have a low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar into your bloodstream slowly, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. This can help control cravings and support steady energy levels throughout the day. 10 figs support healthy blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Figs have a low glycemic index and are rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. The natural sugars in figs are released slowly into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes and crashes. Including figs in a balanced diet can help support stable blood sugar levels and overall metabolic health, so there you have it. We've covered 10 incredible benefits of eating figs daily. From improving digestion and heart health to supporting your immune system and skin, figs are truly a superfood, but the benefits don't stop there. Figs are also versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. Whether you eat them fresh, dried, or incorporate them into recipes, figs can add a delicious and nutritious boost to your meals. 10 reasons to make figs a part of your daily diet. Let's recap the 10 reasons to include figs in your daily diet. They're fiber-rich, loaded with antioxidants, a natural sugar alternative, high in calcium, help lower blood pressure, boost your immune system, great for healthy skin, improve heart health, aid in weight management, and support healthy blood sugar levels. With so many benefits, it's clear that figs are a fantastic addition to any diet. Your taste buds and body will thank you. Not only will your taste buds enjoy the sweet and unique flavor of figs, but your body will also benefit from the numerous nutrients they provide. So why not give figs a try and see the positive impact they can have on your health and well-being? Start incorporating figs into your meals today and experience the difference for yourself. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more nutrition tips. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more nutrition tips and healthy eating advice. We're here to help you make informed choices about your diet and live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.